Welcome back to the much anticipated Part 2, where we pick up right where we left off in Part 1, how to start utilizing copyrights for brand protection. Designers must first decide which designs deserve protection to begin employing copyrights to safeguard brands. Then they should perform a search to make sure the design is original and has yet to be granted copyright by someone else. Designers can apply for copyright registration once the design's originality has been established. How to continue making use of copyrights once they are issued. Once copyright has been permitted, it must be preserved in force. All products should display the copyright emblem, and designers should advertise their copyright ownership on their websites and social media channels. They should also monitor the market to ensure that nobody is violating their copyright. They should file a lawsuit right away if they discover any infringing behavior. Section 15 of the Copyright Act needs to be revised concerning the copyright protection of designs. This clause states that copyright and design registration under the Design Act are incompatible. 10-year registration period for designs can be added, where it can be also extended for 5 years from the registration date. Designs are only protected by copyright for production runs under 50 units. A designer must register their work with the Design Act to replicate it more than 50 pieces. This clause does not impair the copyright holder's moral rights. The Copyright Act grants authorship/ownership for a lifetime plus 70 years for original artistic works. The fashion sector frequently uses modifications of pre-existing designs. Existing designs serve as inspiration for many fashion designers. In fashion, copyright rules are crucial for defending designers' creative and intellectual property rights. Two benefits of copyright registration for designers are the opportunity to take legal action against infringers and more excellent legal protection. Designers may effectively safeguard their brand and originality by being aware of the many copyrights and trademarks. Designers in India can easily register their copyrights online to secure the security of their creations.